Okay, so this is the final drawing, and then we click this browse new ACAD. Now if you do it, we get inches, which is what we want, and we need line of weight, display line of weight, like that. Then once we're done that, I'll leave links for this below. So this is the fuse, terminal block, and the relay, and the power supply. So this is what we need. For the power supply, you need to look for technical drawing, the DXF file. For the fuse, you would want the step file, engineering data, step file 2 here, and the front file. And once we have that, we're good to go. So for mine, the width is 10.25, which is 10.832, and my height is 18 and 832. So 18.25 is my height. And once I'm done with that one, we can make the holes for our white panel. So I measured mine. It's 1032. So 1032. 0.3125, and I go 0.3125 also. So you want to find the hole for your thing. Mine is 832. So it's 0.25, like the hole for mine. And you would want to do this on our, there's 4 holes with this size, so let's do that. So no, we know the hole is 0.325. Just have to check here again. 0.3125. Okay, 0.3125 is my and 0.25 is my hole. Yep. Forgot to do this, but you have to make sure that it is on diameter. So I just forgot how to do it, to change that. So should be on diameter when you're doing this. So it should be on diameter when you're doing this I don't want to end the video there. Just make it so yeah, make sure your circles are centered to diameter. I have to redo this, so don't forget to save one very often. Alright, once we're done with the holes there, we focus on the other holes. The 6 holes here in our white panel. So from here I went from 4 inches T125. So that's 4. $98, 24, 32. I have to 24, 32. 0.75, so 8.75. Have to do so for my sketch I didn't really finish all the measuring part, so kinda missed some of them. So what I'm gonna do is just make the bars. So mine was 10 and 1. Why is it not? Okay. Okay. Making sure it's diameter 0.25. That's my hole. Okay. Okay, once we're done that, what's our next step to do? The components. So we'll be placing components now. So first thing, we gotta do open. Oh yeah, we would want to open the DXF files. So we need terminal block. We'll be opening that. Change the file type to DXF. If it's not DXF, it's the terminal block is different. Okay, so terminal block, open a new drawing and type import. Import terminal block STP. Just wanna wait for this. So yeah, it takes a while, but okay, so done. Here's our terminal block and Control C. So I'm pretty sure I have one. One, two. I like to make a space for all of them. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, leaving us with 8 terminal blocks on the bottom. So yeah, so that's the STP file. Now we'll grab the other the fuse. We'll grab the fuse. So here you go. Fuse is there. Place it on the third one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8. 8 on the bottom. Now once you're done with that, we need to select similar. Let's create a new layer first. So this would be our components. Pretty sure, yep, it's the components. And we would want to make that color into blue. There you go. Select that. Select Control 1 to bring up the properties. Go to components. Now it's blue. All of them are blue now. Now we make this diffuse also blue, because that's our component. And the remaining one is the power supply and the relay. Power supply, so DXF file, the front. And as you can see, this is the file, and we would want to break this apart. So yeah, click explode, and we'll just grab this. You'd want to scale it down a bit. Rotate it. Yep, rotate it. Let's see. Yep, that's right. Might want it to scale it a bit. Done with that. Make sure it's on component. And last is our relay. Open that. So yeah, this is the relay, and we will want to turn off the dimension. Just copy this first. And scale it down. Let's just see. I say that's pretty big. Scale it a bit down. Yeah, before that we need to make this as a block, and this is the power supply, or the relay, I mean relay. Now it's good to go. And its components, so we're good. So once that's done, we can we can move on to our dimensions. So let's turn this off real quick. So I'm not sure what's going on with this. It is the components, so yeah, just freeze them. That's all we want to do. Freeze, and we'll do the dimensioning for this one. So we know the width is 10.25. Let's just reduce this to 10.25 instead of 10.2500. And this one is up to your choice. You can do whatever for the text height. Just want to make it sure that it's readable. So I went from here. It's 10.2. 0.125. Nope. From here to here. I said 0.3125 was my thing. So I did that. The new layer is our dimensions plus the wiring and other components. Oh wait, no, my bad. So it's just the dimensions. We make this green. My bad, guys. So I got the dimension and the components, which is now we're left with the wiring stuff. So yeah, we all have different sketch for our dimensions, but I'm just doing the one from my sketch. So I'm on my last one, and this one is 13.5. So yeah. So yeah. We might want to unfreeze the components here, so we can do the dimensions for our terminal blocks. So from here to here. Mine was too and each one of this is
stealing your slippers.
832. Then the inch was 1. At least that's what I got for my sketch. I move on with this one. The power supply, the width is 1. Width was 1.25. And I got 5. 432. So I got 5" and 125 for mine. Yep, now we move on our relay. So the height for mine was 3 inch and 1632. Yep. So we want the width and the height for our fuse. What I got mine was 732. And 2 inch. This one is 2 inch. Yep. Inch. Now the whole thing for mine was 2.5. Okay, once we're done with this, we have to make the hole. make the dimension for our hole. So dim dia is the command. So yeah, we make that. There's 10 holes, so should get like, so yeah. And I forgot to mention, we have to make sure we have let's go. We have center marks for each holes we do. So let's do that. I'ma just speed run this. So yeah, after we're done that, we finish the dimensions. Now we're left with the wiring, wire numbers, and other components. So this part.